That's so dumb. What's up? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the videos, to the gaming. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. It's been a hot minute since we've played any kind of games, and we are due back to play some more. And as soon as I booted it up, there was a nice 50 gig patch or update. Oh, shader packs. I don't know if we're ever gonna be able to play. This is literally the worst part about the game, right? Skip. How do I skip this? There is a guy right around. Okay, so after this game, I gotta switch it to my that guy was so bad. I gotta turn up the in-game voices again. I want to hear them when they rage it. Why was he creeping there? I guess he was like listening for me. Where'd you go? No way! What kind of gun is this?
You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out.
What? What? Okay, if we could crack into the top 20 in this game, I'll be happy. Dude, my...
Fight is over.
Okay, so this thing you have to aim down the sights, right?
Capture the objective.
Why does my ping keep spiking now?
Primary objective is to kill them all.
Please.
You are now marked as most wanted. Eyes on a swivel.
I don't think that's a good thing. I'm marked as most wanted. Where is everyone? Oh. Come on. Hey. I almost didn't see that guy. Holy crap.
Bounty target has been marked. Kill him.
Come on.
Bounty target is down. Well done.
Whoa, I was really thinking he was going to be on the roof.
Reach the marked location and secure the area.
Interesting. Nice.
Recon intel secure. Solid work.
Cool. Good stuff.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Okay, this way. Awesome. Good job, Phil. Thanks, Phil.
Counter target down. Well done.
I'm so good at this game. Oh! Please, man, get the f out of here with your weak ass game. Look at this camper right there. Trash. I hate this area because there's always going to be people that like just camp in one of these random flags.
Objective is to eliminate the bounty target. Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh. Behind you.
Enemy UAV overhead. Losing ground.
That wasn't my target though.
Enemy UAV overhead.
He's a ghosty just like me. You ready to go for it? Where are you? Oh, come on. Oh, yes. Uh-oh. Ah! Run!
No retreat, no surrender.
That was dangerous. That was very dangerous. Was that guy my bounty? That shield guy? Probably up there camping in the corner somewhere, isn't it?
Fighting's over. Now it's a ghost town.
Oh my god! No! Just as the gulag closed. I made a top 20 though. That was my goal.
objective is to kill them all.
Sorry. No, I just missed him. That would have been awesome. How? No way.
Turn to the front line. If you lose, you're done here.
How are you supposed to? How are you supposed to gulag with this thing? Oh man, and with that huge ping, that was crazy. Let's go, bitch. Oh, you ran away. Ooh.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Whoa! That was sneaky beaky. Ooh. I was really kind of slow to see that guy too. Oh. I was like, I want to go in that tunnel. Where is he? Oh, that last bullet. Sorry about that. Ooh.
Enemy UAV overhead.
That came from over here somewhere. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Reload, reload. Nope. Not today. I didn't see where that ping was though. Oh, I see him. Yeah, baby.
Enemy dropping into the AR. Enemy UAV
Wait,
overhead.
wait, wait, wait. That was the guy who just dropped in. Ooh, from behind. Nice try, buddy. Nice try. I was literally two breaths. Oh my god. I knew that guy was going to be there too.
Failure's a proper teacher.
I was 2 breaths away from dying. Oh, that guy got me. Ah, well. Good game. Anyways, good to be back. Stay tuned to the channel, to the page for more videos to come. Like I said, I'll be back live streaming with you guys once I move to my new place where I have fiber internet, so I can actually have an upload speed that's better than 5 Mbps. Anyways, if you liked the video today, please do subscribe to the channel, like the video, follow the page. Since we are really slow, all helps and support that you guys can give us right now in terms of engagement is really going to help to grow the channel so we can become bigger and provide more to you guys. Blast being with you guys again. We'll catch you next time.